Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to download Moodle on laptop. It's a very simple and easy process, so let's get started. First of all, on your laptop, head over to your preferred web browser. Once you are in the browser, go to the search bar and type in Moodle download. Now click on this official website's link. You can directly choose the Moodle packages option. If you are using Mac, it will show up accordingly. So click on this link. In this page, you can see different versions of Moodle. The latest version is 4.4.2. So right beside it, here you can see the download zip option. Click on it. You can save the file in your computer. Now the download has started. It might take few moments depending on your internet speed. After the download is complete, now you need to go to your download files. Open the file you just downloaded. This is a zip folder, so you can extract this file. You might have to patiently wait for a while. Once the extraction is complete, you will see the files inside this folder. Here you can see the Start Moodle file. Open this file. It will run the Apache and MySQL server. After that, minimize this and head over to your browser. Over here, search for localhost. Now you will be prompted to the installation page. Select your language and click on Next. You can follow all this process, and that's how you can download Moodle on laptop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.